Ivy makes her life a show. Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ivy and this is Hang with Ivy. Thank you so much for your returning viewers and thank you for our new subscribers. Tunawapenda sana sana sana. Today we are going to talk about making a thumbnail. What do you need to know when you're making a thumbnail? Your thumbnail is the first thing people are going to see. It's basically your first impression. So your thumbnail will decide whether people are going to watch your video or they're going to skip it. And if a lot of people skip your videos, the algorithm is going to decide that your video is not relevant and it's not going to be watched. So your thumbnail is very important. So let's see what you need to know when making your YouTube thumbnail. Your thumbnails need to have a specific color scheme, and you're supposed to follow it through your videos. The thumbnails are not don't always have to look the same, but you can have your color scheme that people see purple and they know this is Hang with Ivy. When people see brown, they know this is Hang with Ivy. The specific filters that you're going to use on your thumbnails, the specific text, the fonts that you're going to use on your YouTube channel should be consistent throughout, so that no matter what video you put, people can easily identify you based on your font and your colors. That's what personal branding is. That's how you brand your channel. And then when you're putting your images on your YouTube channel, make sure they are relevant to what you're talking about. For example, if you're talking about shopping, find images that are relatable to shopping. And when you're putting your image there, you can have applications that remove your background so that you can be able to put beautiful backgrounds at the back, and then you can put your face at the front so that people easily identify you. For example, if you told a relative that you have a YouTube channel, if they see your face there, they're going to easily identify that this is your channel. Also, when you're making your thumbnail, don't make it too crowded, because people don't have time to stop and start reading a million things that you've written on your thumbnail. You can just write something that's relatable to the topic so that someone can go down and watch it. For example, if you went shopping, you can write, I went to the biggest mall in Kenya. Then people are going to go to the title and see what's the biggest mall you went to. For example, the biggest mall you could have gone to could be Two Rivers if you're in Kenya. I don't know if it's still the biggest, don't quote me. Or BBI mall. Is it BBI or BBS mall? Yeah. So you write there something that's relatable and then put like very captivating images so that people can be able to see. You need to also have the rule of thirds. Make sure that your thumbnail doesn't have too much negative space on it. It should not be crowded, and it should also not have too much negative space on it. It should be balanced, it should be clean, it should be neat, and it should be organized. And it should also have your YouTube name there as well. It will also help you. For the images you put at the back, you can use, for example, if you went to the mall, take a few pictures that you're going to use on your thumbnail. Like you can take a picture of an interesting item that you saw there so that people are captivated and want to know more about this mall that has this particular thing. Like for example, when the projectors were trending, you can write there, you can put there those beautiful projectors, and people are going to click on it because they have been wondering where to get those specific projectors. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. I hope this video helped one or two people, and let me know what other videos you'd like to see on this channel. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.
Every day she's on the go. Yeah. Editing clips through the night. Living, dreaming in the light. I'm saying, girl, you live it right, bringing joy